Hi everyone, today we are going to learn 4 very easy, quick Excel tricks. Trick number 1, how to fill a series. So I'll write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll click on the last cell, then I will right click and drag it down. Then I will once again right click and choose Fill Series. And I'm done. Now, trick number 2, how to easily copy a series vertically or horizontally. So I can write down 5, once again 5, 5, 5, or what I can do is I can click on the last cell, right click and drag it down, and it's done. You can do the same thing horizontally. Trick number 3 is how to easily do an addition or a summation. So I will write down the numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now formula number 1 is I put equal to, then I click on the first cell, then I put a summation from the keyboard, then I click on the next cell, addition again, the next cell, addition again, the next cell, addition again, and I get the summation. An easier and more second formula will be I put equal to, then I write SUM, sum, first bracket, then the first cell, and drag it down to the last cell you want to do a summation for, and close the bracket, and it's done. You get the same result, 15. Trick number 4 is how to change the input type of a cell, like bold, italics, underline. So I will write title, title, and title in 3 different cells. We will make the first title bold, and you only have to click Ctrl plus B for Bangladesh. Done. The second one, Ctrl plus I, Italy, for italics. The third one, Ctrl plus U, umbrella, for underlined. And these are the 4 very easy tricks. I hope it was helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you.